start. Now see study of Norton's theorem. Okay. So first switch on the kit. Then first we have to verify the voltage here. How much voltage is here? So power on. This is a digital multimeter. Put on the knob on voltage. This is common as it is, and if you have to put on. Now see, this is a 7 point. It is fluctuating 7.53. So we have to set it 10. This is a 10 volt, okay? Approximately 10 volt, okay? Clear? So after this, see, this is the 1 kilo ohm resistance, this is 500 ohm resistance, and this is 1 kilo ohm resistance, and this is 1 kilo ohm resistance, okay? So we can also check this resistance if it is 1 kilo ohm or not. If not, then we have to set it. So now we have to put this now on resistance. Now so this is the 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so we have already set it. It is 1 kilo ohm. Then we have to check this resistance.
Five 500 fluctuation.
Okay, it is fluctuating. It is 500 ohm. Okay, now so this is the 500 ohm. Then we have to check this resistance. Okay, it is approximately 1 kilo ohm. Okay, then it will be okay. Now see, this is the approximately 1 kilo, okay? So then we will make the complete connection. So there is a no connection, so we have to put here connecting wire. So we have to connect it. This is the, now see, this is the complete connection for Norton's theorem, okay? So this is mesh 1 and this is mesh 2. So here when we measure the Norton's current IN, now see, this is the Norton current IN. So we will remove the, so we have replaced the load resistance by the short circuit. So this is here our load resistance. So we have to replace this resistance by, this is short circuit. On here we will measure the IN. So in case, instead of connecting this wire, we will connect multimeter, digital multimeter here for measurement of the current. Okay, so now and here we have to set on milliampere. How much it? 1.2. Okay, 1.2 fluctuating हो रहा है.
2-3.
1.2 starting में काम कर रहा है. 2.46 milliampere. Okay. 2.46 milliampere. This is the,
इसको एम्पियर में कन्वर्ट करना है.
so now see, this is a 2.5 milliampere. This is the theoretical and practically approximately same.
इसको मिली एम्पियर में रखने का.
Milliampere on milliampere. Okay. So then we will calculate the Norton's resistance Rn. So when we calculate the Rn, so what we have to do, we will short circuit the voltage source. So here we have to short circuit. Okay, and here now see this, there is only resistance. So we will connect this terminal again here, and we will check the voltage. Resistance. Okay, and put it on resistance. The connection is loose. Just put it 0.3 kilo. Okay, this is the 1.3 kilo.
1.3.
You see, this is the 1.3 kilo. Okay, so it is approximately some Norton's. Okay, then we will calculate the load current. Okay, so for measurement of load current, again we have to make the complete connection. So we have to connect here, and this connection, these two are connected. Then this one. And here we will connect the Eastern multimeter, and this is on milliampere because we are measuring the current. 1.36 milliampere. There is a minus, so we have to change the polarity. We will get the positive. Now we can say here this let knob here, and we will put positive here. Then we get the positive. 1.36 milliampere. So this is the IL. So now see here we have calculated the 1.314. So both are the approximate. So okay. So here you can see we have measured the three values. First we have measured the IL. This is theoretically and practically same, approximately same. This is RN. This is again theoretically and practically same, and this is the load current, theoretically and practically same. Okay. So this is the Norton's theorem.